Hi children, did you remember letter D which we have learned in the last class? Yes. Letter D. Letter D. Letter D sounds D. D. Letter D sounds D. D. Dog. D. Dog. D. Duck. D. Duck. D. Doll. D. Doll. D. Door. D. Door. And D. Drum. D. Drum. Today we are going to learn how to write letter D. Did you want to learn how to write letter D? The formation of letter D? Let's will show you. First we are going to write on the sand. Forward curve, go up, come down straight, forward curve, go up, come down straight. Letter D. Letter D. Now we can write on the board which letter? Letter D. Forward curve, go up, come down straight, touch the line. Letter D. Once again, forward curve, go up, come down straight, touch the line. Letter D. Forward curve, go up, come down straight and touch the line. Letter D. Forward curve, go up, come down straight and touch the line. Letter D. Forward curve, go up, come down straight and touch the line. Letter D. Forward curve, go up, come down straight and touch the line. Letter D. Now we have one worksheet to do. First question, write small letter D and trace over the dotted letters. Here you can see dotted lines. First we can write this dotted line. You can start from here. Forward curve, go up, come down straight and touch the line. Letter D. Here we can write forward curve, go up, come down straight, touch the line. Letter D. You can write dotted line, forward curve, go up, come down straight, touch the line. Letter D. Here you can see the formation of letter D. First we can write letter C. You have learned letter C, right? Letter C. Then letter A. You have already studied letter A. Forward curve, go up, come down, touch the line. And finally, we can write letter D. Forward curve, go up, come down straight and touch the line. Letter D. This is the formation of letter D. First you can write letter C, then comes letter A, then you can finish letter D. Likewise, you can write practice here, then come to dotted letter D, letter D. Here, forward curve, go up, come down straight, touch the line, letter D. Forward curve, go up, come down straight and touch the line, letter T. Likewise, you have to finish this worksheet. Here, one more 4-line worksheet is here. Forward curve, go up, come down straight and touch the line, letter D. You have to say and write each letters. Forward curve, go up, come down straight and touch the line, letter D. Forward curve, go up, come down straight and touch the line, letter D. Same way you have to finish this worksheet. See children, one more worksheet you have to do. First question is, color the images that begins with letter D. You can see so many pictures given here. From that pictures, you have to identify the pictures that begins with letter D. Dog. This is boy. The beginning sound is not D, so don't color this image. Duck. Doll. Drums. You can color the images that begins with D. So, you can color dog, you can color duck, you can color doll and you can color drum. Here, second question is, match capital letter D to small letter d. Here, capital letter is given here, small letter is given here. From that, you can match capital letter to the small letter. Capital letter D to small letter d. Likewise, you have to complete this matching. Next question is, say the name of each picture. Circle the letter that matches the beginning sound. You have to say the name of each picture. This is donkey, dolphin, this is dragonfly and this is dice. Donkey. Say donkey. The first letter sound is D. Donkey. Which letter makes the sound D? Yes, letter D. So you can circle letter D. Dolphin. Dolphin. So you have to circle letter D. This is dragonfly. So circle D. Dragonfly. Dice. Circle letter D. Fourth question is, find the way from the boy to the duck by writing letter D inside the empty circles and color the circles which contain letter D. See, you can see one boy and a duck here. This boy want to reach to this duck. For that, you have to write D inside empty circles. You can see empty circles here. So you can write letter D, forward curve, go up, come down straight, letter D. Likewise, you have to write D on empty circles so that you can reach the boy to the duck. Next question is, color the capital letter D as green and small letter d as red. Here you can see capital letter D as well as small letter d. You can give green color for capital letter D. This is capital letter D. You can give green color. Color neatly. Are you all doing, children? Good. And you can give red to the small letter D. Yes, this is a small letter. So you can give red to small letter D. Yes, likewise you have to complete. Likewise you have to complete this worksheet. I hope you all got letter D, its phonic sound and its related words. Right, children? Practice more by writing at home. Bye, children.